Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you really quick a couple of new ephemera packs I have available over in my vintage shop. And the theme of these packs are fun and games. So kind of like that feeling of your grandma's rec room where the adults are playing cards, and it's got the same kind of color scheme of like wood paneling, and it's what this kind of reminded me of. Um, Every pack contains all vintage items. There's just a few things that are different that I'll talk about, but there's 3 packs available. And let me go through really quick and show you what they include. So first of all, you'll get a vintage cocktail invitation. And these are nice because they're kind of small and thin, and then they have some writing on the side, or some lines for writing on the side here, for time, date, and place. And then they fold, so you could turn this into a pocket if you want to include it in one of your junk journal signatures. And then it also includes an envelope. You'll also get there's a couple of different designs of these coaster / ashtrays, and it's just a kind of a thicker metallic cardstock, and each one has an image of a dog on it and a little saying at the top. So this one says, "She's very talented." So it's kind of like a fun, kind of jokey saying. But so these would be fun to put in a ringed binder, or you could tuck it into a pocket. Lots of things you could do with this. You'll also get a Wist scorecard here that has a little pencil attached with a string, which I thought was kind of unique. And these would be nice to, again, you could sew it into your junk journal and then use the little pencil even for writing down some thoughts. Each pack also includes a wraparound coaster, which these make really great signature or pages for a signature. I've used these before for one of my journals that I made. So these are kind of fun. You'll get 2 transagram bingo cards, one blue and one green. Also, you'll get 2 I'm Out cards. These are kind of a math bingo game. There's a pink and a yellow, and they're kind of like a thin chipboard, so they're nice to tuck into pockets, create pockets with. Lots you can do with that. You'll also get some score sheets. This one is for bridge. It's double-sided. This one is for Kismet. Again, that's double-sided. You'll also get a score sheet for the I'm Out game, and it's blank on one side, and then it has the writing on the other side. And these are nice and thin too. You can turn those into kind of crinkly pages. It's always fun. You'll also get, every pack has one of these Kino boards in it. Again, like a thin chipboard with all the playing cards on the front. And then the things that are different in each pack would be, I have some vintage pages along with a vintage recipe card that has the theme of kind of party food that you'd include at a game party. So this one in particular it's a party cocktail trifle, but it's just one of those little recipe cards. And then there'll be a page from a game book. So it describes a game you could play. Also a page from a recipe book, again, that's got kind of a fun and games type recipes you'd have at a party. Included that. And then you'll also get a vintage catalog page that the theme is kind of like furniture you'd have in your rec room or in your entertainment room. So kind of the 60s and 70s look. So I thought this was kind of a fun pack. Definitely take a look. Let me know if you have any questions. And like I said, there'll be 3 available in my shop. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video.